Hey, happy Sunday. I just finished up with a ton of meal prep and I thought, why not get on here and share it with some of you so that you can make your lives a little bit easier. My name is Kelly Poteet and I am a health and fitness coach with Team Beachbody. But more importantly than that, I'm simply a busy mom trying to keep up with the busyness of my life. So if I share something here with you to make your life better, healthier, stronger, then that's my mission. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with showing you what I prepared for my meals for the week. And if anything I share with you here today piques your interest and you'd like to hear more, for instance, if you'd like to get a sample meal plan from me, please just go ahead and click on the link on top and I'd love to share that with you. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of my meals that I make for breakfast. Although I tend to make breakfast on the spot, this is one of the simplest things you can prepare to have a healthy start to your day. Overnight oats, you've heard of them before, right? But they are seriously so simple to make. Here's one that I made for tomorrow, and I have two more for the rest of the week. But honestly, it's equal parts of 3 ingredients: oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, and then you can go ahead and throw on some fresh berries on top. I like mine pretty bland, but I know that there's a lot of people with sweet tooth out there, so I want to go ahead and show you a couple sweeteners of choice that I prefer to add if I need that extra bit of sweetness. I have Sweet Leaf Sweet Drops and Vanilla Cream. It's one of my favorites. And this might be my all-time favorite. It's Sweet Drops Caramel. Oh my goodness. Put a couple drops of this in your Greek yogurt and you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Trust me. So that's my breakfast. And then for lunch, I'm very simple. I like to eat the same thing pretty much all week long. I know that there's a lot of people out there that prefer variety, and I understand that, but when I try to sit down and plan my week, I like very simple and I like easy and I like minimal ingredients. So what I want to share with you today is just one of the ways that I try to get through that week and try to be successful. And when I say successful, it just means that I'm trying to live the best life I can live, try to be happy, healthy, and to be a good example for my children. And a good example for me is when I'm feeling my best. So I have prepared a massive kale salad. There are vegetables in this. They simply just kind of snuck down to the bottom. But what I did here is I cleaned the kale, massaged the kale, and I already put my salad dressing on top, because the awesome thing about kale is it is such a sturdy vegetable that it doesn't get soggy at all once you put your dressing on top. So you honestly can do everything you need with this, stick it in the fridge, and it'll last for at least a week and be extremely fresh. So I wanted to share that with you because for me, I pack all my food for the week and I take it to work, and I have been that person before where I've tried to put my salad dressing in little containers, take it to work, and things have leaked in my bag, and balsamic vinegar, if you've ever done that, that's the worst. So when I heard about this is seriously just one thing that might take up a little bit of time for me on a Sunday like today, but for the week, it just makes my week so much easier. So I have this, and literally all I have to do is put my lean protein on top, and I'm good to go. So the protein of my choice this week happened to be one of my favorites, which is my lean ground turkey breast. This is my Turkey Sloppy Joe recipe, and it's actually something modified from a Fixate book that I found. So all it has in it is some cut up red peppers, a little bit of sea salt, basil, and low sodium, low sugar tomato sauce. That's it. So this was extremely easy for me to prepare. I will add probably 3 to 4 ounces of this on top of my salad and be one happy camper, okay? I also prepared some roasted sweet potatoes, which are delicious, by the way, and all I did to these was put some coconut oil, some pink salt, and a little bit of black pepper on them, and they're so good. So this is my complex carb for my lunch. I'm gonna add this, and I just throw everything on top. Some people might be a little bit more picky about that, but not me. I just put everything in one bowl and I'm good to go. So there's my salad, and I really do enjoy my breakfast, but I probably get hungry about 2 to 3 hours afterwards, so I like to have snacks on hand. and I'm a high school teacher, so really busy, and only have 4 minutes in between classes, so you really don't have time to sit down and have a snack or anything. So I do things that are very quick and convenient. I like sugar snap peas or green beans, and I just stick them in a bag so I can kind of munch on them when I need to. And I also like to pair it with like a healthy fat. So here I just have a bunch of almonds, and these I just kind of keep in my desk at work. But that's really a simple snack that I kind of can grab. Sometimes I do apples and almonds too, or any kind of healthy fat with that is good for me. But today I actually have a bunch of strawberries cut up because my daughter wanted to help. Well, let me rephrase that. She was sitting on the couch saying she was bored, so I was like, hey, why don't you help me cut up some fruits and vegetables? And she actually agreed. So she was in charge of the strawberries and the red peppers. And here's a tip for you, any moms out there: get your kids involved with your meal prep. Not only will it save you time, which was a huge plus for me today, but it actually kind of get your children exposed to the food, and you will find that they will start eating the things that you are exposing them to. So my daughter, she ate almost like half of my red peppers, and she said, Mom, I'm gonna eat more red peppers than I saved for you. And it's true, because this is all I got out of those red peppers, but it's really helpful. So I wanted to share that with you. Let me see here. So I eat breakfast, I have a snack, I have my lunch, and every day without fail when I come home from work, I go straight home and I have a Shakeology. And for those of you that haven't heard of Shakeology, it's just a superfood dense meal that really helps me with my cravings. So let me see here. I think I have it, yeah. This is my giant Shakeology container, and I usually pair it with some PB powder and a banana, and it really helps me, and that'll keep me from eating until dinner time. However, on the occasion when I don't have that, I do like to eat some protein bars in emergency situation, and this is my new favorite. These are RX bars, and this is the mint chocolate. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. So I always like to share my new favorites. This is that. And wait for this. Oh my gosh. This is something that I just made today, and I am so thankful that I made this because this is really gonna save me. These are Shakeology peanut butter cups. And I think they look just as good, if not better, than Reese's, because my husband has some over there and I kind of compared. So take a look at this, okay? Does that not look delicious? And it is 100% healthy for you. There's just like a half of a teaspoon of peanut butter in there, or you can use almond butter. I made half of each, and the rest is just a Shakeology recipe that I'd be happy to share with you. So and you keep them in the freezer. Oh my goodness, I already have one today. So if this appeals to you, or if you'd like me to share a simple meal plan with you, please just go ahead and click on that link and I'd be happy to share. Otherwise, have an awesome week, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.